Damn, this is 9 minutes, bro. What is this, Thriller? What is this, a Thriller video? Only for y'all, man.
የተከደኑ አይኖቹን ገለጥ አድርጎ በፊቱ የቆሙትን መነኩሴ አየና ሰብለ አለ ጣር በሚጎትተው ድምፅ።
This is so interesting. No way. That's Teddy Afro's wife in the video? What part of the video? That's crazy. Hey, do you have to pay her? Would you have to pay your wife if she is in your music video? I don't know. Would y'all pay your wife or significant other if she was in the music video with you? I don't know. What is he saying? Like, what does it mean? Oh, they're doing a the skitsa. The skitsa dance. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah, that is his wife. Okay. I love this culture, man.
ድንጋይ ተንተርሶ ጧፉም እንደምናኙት ቢጨርሱ ወንጌል መነኮሱ በልጅነታቸው ማር እስከ ጧፉ ነው ዓለም ቢነዳቸው አንቺ ፍቅር ተኬ ወደነሽ በጣም መምጣቴ ነው በቃ ምን ያቃተኛውን አዲስ ዓለም ሆነ ባንቺ ስልወጣየው እድሌ ሆንና ባታሽ ተሰቃየው ማርጧፉ ነው
That's Skeetsa, man. How do you do that? Love to the grave. Okay. Danny on TikTok. Let's get ready to rumble. It's a good platform, man. It's a good platform. Oh, these are the credits. Yeah, man, that was very interesting because Teddy Afro typically has a few styles of music that he typically does. So he'll do like a reggae style song that like you just nod your head to because you know it kind of makes you feel like you're listening to Bob Marley speaking like singing Amharic a little bit, or at least from my perspective. I still love the music nonetheless, but I love the reggae component of Teddy Afro's music. And then when I listen to the traditional songs, I can't even speak, guys. Oh my gosh, that tells you I've been on stream for too long. When I listen to the traditionally Ethiopian style of music from Teddy Afro, it for some reason it makes me pay more attention to what's going on in the music video, and I can kind of like pick things apart like I do when I react to the travel videos. And I was noticing that they were doing the Skeetsa dance, you know, like with the shoulders. They were doing it after drinking the honey out of the bottle. They were like going crazy and like honestly, it kind of looked like Thriller, but at least I know it's a stupid comparison, but you know, when you get an artist on this scale, you can only compare them to other artists that are on the similar scale. But I thoroughly enjoyed it, and knowing that his wife was not only in the video but helped direct it as well, That was a nice touch as well. So if you guys can ever find like a significant other that can help you in pursuing your passion, whether it's music, whether it's content creation, travel, that may be the person you may want to lock down permanently, because that's going to be the person that's going to not only help you with your business from a business perspective, but it's also going to help you take things off of your plate that kind of restrict you from working on your passion. So if you find that person, that significant other, you may want to keep them, bro.